Let's continue. Now we will tell you about the dance hold. My left hand and my partner's right hand, we grab each other and close our fingers so as not to dance with an open hand. The elbows are at a lower level than if we were dance waltz, while we dance waltz the elbows are higher. We cannot dance in a position when our elbows are stuck to our ribs. Then we look stiff and as if we were stressed. So your elbows are wide, but they don't have to be high. The hands we hold are between us. When we move inwards, they should be exactly between us. Gentlemen, do not take your elbow back. Girls, do not push your hand forward. Then it looks bad. My right hand is on my partner's shoulder blade. The right hand supports the partner. The hand cannot be too low because it makes a hole between our hands. We have contact with each other in our hands all the time. My partner is on my right side, as Dominika has already mentioned. Both elbows should be energetically forward. We do not move our elbows back, then the partner does not understand our movement and then I pull her on me, which is uncomfortable for the partner.
Yes, this is a very uncomfortable position. Tomek said everything about my right hand. I place my left hand on my partner's shoulder. It may be a little higher or a little lower. The fingers must be together. We do not grab our partner with our hands like a spider. The hand is relaxed, not stiff. My left hand is in contact with my partner, but I also have to hold it, otherwise we will be heavy for our partner. I hold my hand in correct position. When my partner removes his hand, mine should remain in the same place.